Welcome, here I've got Honor 8 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by simply sliding to the left to get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is the Pro Photo mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let's start by tapping on this button from the right to open this panel, and here we have some pro settings we can manage. Let's move from the left. The first one option allows us to pick the metering. Here we have the matrix metering. We can also pick the center weighted metering and the spot one. So we have three options. Let's move to the next one button. Here we have ISO, so we can manage camera sensitivity to light. And now we are on auto. By using the slider, we can make it less sensitive from 50 and more sensitive by going to the right. The highest here is 3 and 2000, so this is really wide spectrum, like this kind of camera, and it's really pro. And of course, there's no problem to go back to auto ISO. We have to simply slide to the beginning to the left of this slider. Let's move to the third one. Here we have shutter speed, so we can change the time of taking picture, and we can make it shorter from 1 and 4000 of seconds. So this is really short time, and it should be definitely better to objects, for example in move, to frozen them at the picture with a good light. And by going to the right, we can make our time longer. Let's go to the end to check the longest here. The 30 seconds. So this is really long time, and it should be better to objects that are stable. Of course, to go back to auto shutter speed, we have to slide to the beginning of the slider to auto settings. Now let's move to the next one option, the exposure compensation. Here we can manage the light of our picture. At the center we have 0 parameters, so auto exposure. By going to the right, we can make our picture more bright, as you can see, and by going to the left, we can make it more dark. Of course, to go back to auto exposure compensation, we have to slide to 0 parameter. Let's move to the next one option, the focusing. We are on AF with C from continuous shot and autofocus. Autofocus is also connected with S from single shot, so we can pick between these two or move to the right to manual focus, and now we can change it like that by using the extra slider and manually focusing. And of course, we can go back, for example, to continuous shot, and let's move to the next one option, the white balance. Now we are on auto white balance, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a picture. So we can pick the cloudy light, white fluorescent light, the tungsten light, daylight, and the last one parameter gives us extra sliders, so we can manage the white balance in Kelvin degrees manually. So this is also really pro feature here. And by going to the left, as you can see, we can make our picture more cold. By going to the right, we can make it more warm. Of course, to go back to auto white balance, we have to move again to this slider and slide to the beginning of it. And here we have also one extra feature. When we tap to this button with I letter, we can read about all of these parameters. So this is short tutorial also, you can learn from this, for example, in your own language. And I think this is really cool that we have it. Now let me change these parameters to take a picture. So let's stay, for example, on this metering, the ISO, maybe here, the shutter speed, maybe kind of the center one, 1 and 100, a little bit brighter, and the focusing, let's stay on this one, maybe white balance, the tungsten light. To see my photo, we have to move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. I of course suggest you to making experiments with all of these settings and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.